Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your iPhone sending green messages. So what this actually means is you can go on your message on iPhone. So at the bottom of a screen, you can see the iMessage icon. So you can click on it. And if I go on where it says Suyogatikari over here, my message is going to be blue. And if I go on NCL, my message is going to be green. So what's the difference between a green and a blue message? I'm going to be telling you that so you guys will understand why your iPhone is sending a green message. So if the person you're sending message to also uses iMessage, your message is going to be sent as blue. But if the person who doesn't use iPhone and you're sending message to him, because iMessage is only available for iPhone. So if that person is not using iPhone, he's using Android. And in Android, there is no iMessage, right? Which means the message is going to be sent as green. Why your message is being sent as green is because since that person is not using iMessage, your message is being sent as a form of SMS. So if your message is being sent in form of SMS, then it's going to be green. And if the message you're sending is being sent through iMessages or being sent using iMessage, it's going to be blue. So if I write any message to Suyogatikari, it's going to be blue, as you guys can see over here. But if you write any message to a person who using Android, not iPhone, so let's say for NCL over here, it's going to be green because NCL doesn't use as iPhone. And if I send message to him, my data is going to be used, or like my SIM card company's connection is going to be used. And it basically means this, all right? So in order to fix this, the person you're sending message to also has to use iMessage or also has to be an iPhone user, all right? So that's the only way you guys can fix this. It's not a problem. It's basically iPhone like determining the difference between an Android user and iPhone user. All right. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then.